Hey guys, you're Flow Parks After Dark. Hey, well, we're here back at the Grand Floridian. It's been a long time. We haven't been back here since they did start the construction. Now, our last video showed all the walls and all the changes and all that was happening in here. But it's been a while and a lot of things have changed. So now we want to go back and give you an update, our grand update on the Grand Floridian, and let you see how far they've come. Now, they're not done yet, but I put about 80% done. Final touches being done. Let's take a look at that. All right, so we're gonna walk in. So we're obviously here at the Grand. Obviously, entrance is the same. You'll see it as soon as you walk in. There's just differences. It's much more open. They've pushed the space out beautifully. Some things are the same. Some things are very, very different. So we're gonna pivot to our left to start. The Bell Captain station is much different. Now, you guys remember on our video, if you go back and look at it, we'll try to link it to this video. This whole thing was walled off originally, and it stood out. Now what they've done, they cleared it out, so now the Bell Captain is pushed back out of the way. It used to be in the corner of the check-in desk, and now there's a seating area with some charging ports. That's a great spot. Now what they do still have is the roses. Now I'll show you one thing we always want to show you. There's always a hidden Mickey in the roses. Now if you come to the front, these are all brand new roses, everyday new roses. There's always a hidden Mickey in the rose bushes, and there's more hidden Mickeys they put in. Now, this is awesome. That's the front desk. Now, for those who've been to the Grand or seen our videos, before they had this entire thing walled off. Now, this is completely a remodel. There was originally one big, giant, monolith desk that wrapped it around. Up in this corner was the Bell Captain table that's now gone. They've retiled it. And what they've created is these little, very intimate, personal check-in desks with really that fantastic lattice work in the back with the lights. And if you look, you see all that over here, they have the boxes. Now those boxes look more like what they used to have in the hotels where we put mail. So they kind of got that sense there. At the top they have the Grand Floridian floral print out there. It's beautiful. And those chandeliers, they look like drops of water with light. It is just awesome. So that is a fantastic addition. But what they've done in the space, besides adding that, they took out a big chunk here, and what they're able to do is add a kid's sitting area. So you're checking in, your little guys are tired from the flight. They made it so you can come here and whoop, plop them down. So this is a great spot. Little guys can come watch Disney. You know they're gonna watch Disney. And then it's right here. So they've done that. Now, you can tell from the floor, a lot of tile work is new because they had to tear it all out to redo the desk, but this is awesome. So we are 1,000% supporting the change here. We were not happy with the construction, but we love what they've done. Now, let's go here. This is the area. Now, the carpet is completely different. They've ripped out the entire carpet. They put one in. Now, originally, when we saw the carpet laid, it felt busy. A lot of bright colors, a lot of big floral patterns, but with the furniture, we think it really worked. But they've also incorporated this. There are hidden Mickeys everywhere on this carpet. I've seen probably a dozen just getting ready for this video. So look down, take a look. There's hidden Mickeys everywhere. These chairs are very reminiscent of what we saw at the beach club the other night. They're shorter, but the same idea, that wrap around, intimate, quiet space. Really done real well. They kept the grand piano. Pianist was just playing. And guys, that's the top of the new bar. Lobby bar is right there. We're gonna go up to the second level in just a minute here and show you from up there down what this all looks like. But that's been in construction for a while. We've had some pictures of that. Their process. They're getting there. They're not there yet. So that's en route. And to show you, here's another hidden Mickey, just to show you. They're literally everywhere. Now, the back wall, that back area, we actually used to do the arts and crafts, and we did Stericycle coloring the other time. We have video on that as well. They're not done that space yet, and for me, that's still a mystery on what they're doing there. So right now, that's still in construction, so it's getting along. But let's do this. This is what it now looks like, and it looks, they kept a lot of the key elements in the lobby areas. The carpet really catches the floor. All the chairs pick up the floral prints, which is a shift for the flow. but they kept all that other stuff. Now what we're gonna do now, guys, we're gonna go up the new grand staircase. Now listen, the grand staircase, you go back a while, because we've been coming here for years and years. They used to have, before COVID, they used to have a dance with the promenade, the grand promenade, with Cinderella and Prince Charming. And they come down these stairs. We have stuff, pictures of our kids going down the stairs. But first I gotta show you, that mural at the top of the stairs, that's brand new. So that's an artist rendering of the Grand Floridian as if it was right there on the edge of the water of a beach or an island somewhere. But here is the new grand staircase. They've redid the carpet. They've got the Grand Floridian emblem right here on that first landing. Beautifully done. And then it just kind of comes up. So they've carried that floral print carpet up the stairs and up to here, this bottom area. And keep going up. Now really when you get to the top of the stairs, I really want to show you what the lobby now looks like from this elevated position so you can see it. You're gonna get a great view right now of the bar. So there's a lobby bar in progress. They carried over the bird cage that was there, those who remember. And they made a bird cage lobby bar. Pretty neat, right? So it's in process. It looks like to me, they're not gonna keep it open. It's gonna be a little enclosure, probably an open U. So you can kind of come in, come around the side, sit, and no one can kind of bump into you from behind. So they're doing it. They got the lights in it. It looks really nice. But while we're up here, this is what it looks like from up here. I gotta tell you, I didn't know. I think they really did a slam dunk job on this. So let's go around. I want to go around the other side from up here to show you the lobby from up here. I mean the front check-in desk from up here. And we'll go from there. So the second floor never really changed. They never upgraded this. It's still the same store, still the same stuff. It really was a lobby improvement. Here's a much better view of that bar. Okay, here we go. Now we're seeing it. So as you can tell, it looks like there's the bar, and then around the outside of the bar, there's like a ledge. And I guess that's where some of the stools are gonna be. Differentiating that space where the bar is going to be from the lobby. What I'm dying to know is where the piano is going to go when that bar opens. So that's in question for me right now. But that's it. So let's go over to the other side and I'm going to show you what the front desk looks like now, so you get a chance to see that. From up here. So from up here, okay. So that's the front desk. Now, I gotta tell you, done well. Disney done very well. And then really want to show you really the woodwork on top of the bar. So that carries that bird cage top. You guys remember the bird cage? We have video on it. They did a real nice job translating that bird cage feel, making it obviously much bigger. So that's that piece of it. Now, if we go to where that back area is, so they're doing construction, might be able to peek in and see that. Let's even get a little peeky at what they're doing in this space. I'm not sure we're gonna be able to understand. So, okay. So if you peek over top of that curtain, it looks like they've ripped up the carpets. A lot of pre-season construction going on in that space. So, very, very curious what that's gonna be. But that's it, guys. So listen, we're here. Floor Parks After Dark, we're at the Grand Flow. This is what it looks like now. Upgrades are, I would put it, the bar is probably 67% done. The lobby itself, if you don't count the bar, it's like 80% done. The back area here has to be finished up. And I would say, probably before the new year, this thing's done and it's perfect. So with that being said, this is your Flow Parks After Dark. Do me a favor. Like and subscribe to this video. Subscribe to the channel. Go back into our channel. We have video of this when it was before it was renovated. We have video while the walls are up. We have this video, and it'd be a great before and after video for you guys to watch 3 in a row. We'll probably try to link them to this video if you guys can see it. But that being done, guys, have a fantastic day. You guys take care.